6'9", right?
Yeah.
I can get up. I need a step stool.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, this is tight. Turn to this side, face me. Line that left side, bring that left arm through, right there. Right there. Right there. Nice and relaxed. Excellent. Oh, yeah, nice. 6'9", right?
Yeah.
I can get up. I need a step stool.
Yeah.
Tuck that chin. Gonna take a nice deep breath in, blow it all the way out. Good. Try and relax those arms. Relax. Breathe. See, these world's not built for these tall guys are killing me. Keep breathing. The question you always get, so you play basketball?
Yeah, all the time. All the time, man.
At Manhattan College, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Right? It's always the assumption. It's like they figure if you're not, what else are you going to do, right? Hang those arms over the side. Too funny. Relax those shoulders right there. Drop the shoulder here. Awesome.
Oh my God. Wow, that's crazy.
Hell yeah, brother.
Wow, that felt good.
Get all that pressure out of there. Who needs it? Good. Drop right here. Wow. Oof. Good stuff. Drop.
Oh,
There you
man.
go.
That's
awesome.
Crazy.
You're gonna come lie on your back, face up. Give me your hands. Deep breath in. Go all the way out. Relax the shoulders. Okay, shoulders, clavicle, sternum, and ribs. There and there. Goes on. Keep breathing. Gonna decompress that whole spine. Make him taller like he needs it.
I get an answer to
Hey, another inch or two, man. We're talking right in the NBA, baby. That's what we need. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Oh, there you go. Wow. Hell yeah, my man.
felt that one. Wow, that's crazy.
That's good stuff.
Wow.
Right? Tension, all that pressure, all that stress, stay right there. Don't move. What size are these feet, my man?
16.
16! Jeez! God bless. We're going to adjust here too. Good. Now stay right there. I need I tell you, I gotta get the step stool. First time getting adjusted, right? How'd that feel, man?
It's crazy.
That's awesome, brother.
Crazy.
Because the world's not built for the tall man. He's got to be like this all the time, right? Always doing whatever, always down here. It's no good. He's slumping over. We can't have that, okay? That was awesome, brother.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you. Never be afraid to get adjusted, even when you're 6'9".
Thank you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Wow.